Hello, gorgeous. I am the virtual pink party coach. My name is Jodie Kramer, and I'm here to help skincare consultants and Mary Kay consultants who want to work from home, holding virtual parties, hold successful and fun virtual parties without Facebook groups and without going live and all of those steps that come with it. I started my business in 2019 and then we all know what happened, right? And I was just getting used to holding in-person parties, and then all of a sudden we had to pivot. So I pivoted, but I didn't know who to follow or where to go or what to do because my local directors, none of them were doing virtual. So I had to reach out to other directors and other nationals and then other people who weren't even in the Mary Kay space, but they were holding virtual parties. And so I took workshops and I took boot camps and I bought an expensive course and I did all the things, right, to try and figure it out. To pivot through all of that, I spent about 1.5 years figuring things out, trying things out, what to do, what not to do, what works, what doesn't work. And I changed all the time. I learned something new, so I tried this. Oh, I learned something new and I tried this. Can you relate? I bet you can. Then finally, I found one national that had a lot of what I was looking for. And so I took a lot of that and then some of this, some of that, some of here, some there. And then I came up with a system that worked for me. I work a little bit different. I like things super simple. And so I created a simple system that works for me. You remember doing I don't know if you're still doing it, but having the Facebook groups, then you had to make a group for everything, and then and you had to do the posting, and oh my gosh, it took I couldn't do it. And then my Facebook live parties, they weren't getting engagement. People weren't rewatching them. And I personally, I wasn't getting much traction. And I did try the things that everyone was using, and it just wasn't working for me. So I figured something else out. And that's what I want to teach you. I created this 5-day challenge because I wish that I would have found this challenge way back when, because it would have saved myself a lot of time, a lot of pain, a lot of struggle, and months where I was barely trying to meet my sales challenge, But every year I have achieved Princess Court, which is my goal. I have met all the goals that I set for myself, and my parties are super fun and super successful. I want to show you that's what I want to give you. Like I said, I wish I had this when I first started. And I'm going to give you all of the steps and systems and tools, because I tried a bunch of tools, all these tools that I had to subscribe to and do this and do that. And then I didn't need them. And then I was stuck with them and I had to, I know. So I do have a few tools that I use and they're consistent. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm so excited. So I don't want to get excited, or I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I'm also going to add some content. So I've built some content like invitations and Google banners and scripts. I have some scripts to give you and all the good stuff. So I'm going to share those with you as well. So you just have to join me for the 5-day challenge. And I'm super excited for you. I don't know if I said that or not, but I am super excited for you. I gotta tell you, this is so out of my comfort zone, It has taken me years to turn the camera on to finally say, okay, I want to do it. And I wanted to help you. I wanted to help people for so long, but to get on YouTube and put myself out there was scary. But I just turned it on. I adjusted some things, right? So I put some pretty flowers up and I adjusted my lighting a little bit, and I'm like, I'm just gonna do it. So here we are. I'll come on here and do a few more promotions when I know exactly when the challenge is going to start, and a little more about it. But this is to kick me into what is it, second? Maybe third. Maybe I'm still in first. I don't know. But I want to share this with you, and I hope you are excited with me. And so stick around, because the 5-day challenge is coming soon. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.